Okay, mid-evening has arrived as we continue the early days of 2025. January 2nd, 2025. Cian Hayes here. 2119 southbound is here. Let's check them out. Let's lean back and get them. Jiva to lead it. $29.12. U754, 41 of the first. Started at yard until the Canada where it was staged. We'll head down Jackson, Mississippi via the CPKC. Run on CPKC line to the refinery in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. C3140 to bring up the last of the diesel oil loads of the U754, 41 of the first. And that is going to do it for the 2912 C6M rebuild of the 3337 and the rear DPU of the ET44 AC of the 3140. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for tonight. Thanks for watching, everybody. You have a great night. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you down the main line. Happy rail fanning, and God bless, my friends. Cian Hayes out.